Today we will be looking at how to make a maze game using controlling the scratch cat using the arrow keys, which we learned last time. So what you want to do is you want to go to here, and this is the winning screen that I prepared for the end. You can customize to make your own. So we want to make an edge, but we want to leave this, but let's leave a gap here so we can put the scratch cat in. Do this. And for the same up here, you want to leave a gap for the end. So now that's done. Oh, and you also want up here, you need a green. It could be anything. I'll just leave it as a rectangle. For a green rectangle, that's the end goal. So now you've built your thing. You can go back into here, back to scripts, and now since you want quite a small maze game, you want to go to here and go down here to set size, and then change it to 50%, and then just click it, and it'll make the scratch cat smaller. And then you can just drop it into there, so you know it'll always set it to that when it starts. And then you want to drag the scratch cat over to the starting area, which is here. And then if you want to if you go into motion, this go to block will already be filled into the cat's location on the thing, so you can just drag that in there. So now whenever it starts, whenever you press the green flag, it'll always go back to the start. Now I want it to detect the black and go back to the start, so we need another one of these and an if block, and then we go into here, if touching color, and you click on here and it'll give you a little selection box to go over to here, and then you just click the black, and then you'll need to go to motion, go back to the go to block, put it in the gap, and then write in the same ones as there, still the same spot, so like that. But you also need a forever block covering it, otherwise it'll only detect this as soon, like the instant that the flag is clicked, not anywhere after. So now I press go and hit the side, I'll go back to the start. And now we also want, for the green, we want a win screen to appear. So we go back, go here, add another if block, and this time we want the same touching block, but you want green. And then we go to here, we get a broadcast block. So now when it touches the green, it'll broadcast a message across all of the sprites and the background. So we'll name this win. Okay. And so now if we go into here and go when I receive win, switch backdrop to party. So now if we move and touch the green, it'll go onto the you win screen. There's a little bug in this. If I click go, it stays on the you win screen, which is not all we want. So we just go to here, we go switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So now it'll always go back to the first screen. And of course you can fill in the maze as much as you want. I've just left it blank so you can customize it. But so yeah, that's how to control the scratch cat and use it to sense other blocks.